Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Costa Rica tea is probably one of the most exciting discoveries for anyone looking to boost their weight loss journey. Costa Rica, famous for its beautiful scenery and diverse wildlife, also offers a selection of teas that are thought to aid in weight loss. Integrating these teas into your daily regimen could be a game changer, potentially offering a natural and enjoyable way to support your health goals. Let's dive in and explore the world of Costa Rica tea. Number 5. Hyleys Slim Tea 42C Assorted. This herbal supplement helps promote weight loss with natural ingredients. It uses a blend of green tea and senna to help you achieve a healthier body over time. Enjoy the convenience of this one-step program. Simply drink a cup before bed to support your meal digestion and detox while you sleep. It combines the power of green tea, senna leaves, and natural flavors. This creates an ultra-effective herbal cleanse that's gentle on your system. This tea helps improve digestion and naturally reduces bloating. Thanks to its powerful blend of natural ingredients, it helps your body thrive with a boosted metabolism. Each box includes 42 foil-sealed tea bags to maintain the highest quality. This ensures a fresh, delicious taste with every cup, so you can enjoy your skinny journey with every brew. What we like. This tea is designed to boost your metabolism and improve digestion. It helps reduce bloating, making you feel lighter and more comfortable. If you are looking for a tea that supports your body's natural processes and helps you feel your best, you should consider this. What people say. I've been using it consistently and noticed reduced bloating, better digestion, and a gentle cleanse effect without discomfort. It's definitely a slimming tea in the sense that it helps your body process food and eliminate waste more efficiently. It delivered on its promise 100%, significantly reducing bloating and giving me that completely flushed out feeling. Number 4. Hyleys Slim Tea Acai Berry, Herbal Supplement. This tea is crafted with only 3 natural ingredients: premium green tea, senna leaf, and natural flavoring. It offers a clean, plant-based tea experience that you can trust. Enjoy a smooth, mild taste with subtle natural notes. The tea is free from additives, sweeteners, or artificial flavors, making every cup gentle and satisfying. Perfect for daily use or travel, this resealable box includes 25 individually wrapped tea bags. This helps maintain freshness and makes steeping easy anywhere. This simple tea fits seamlessly into your wellness-focused routine. It's made with clean ingredients for those who value simplicity and nature. Hyleys has been a trusted name in herbal teas for years. The slim tea is non-GMO, gluten-free, and made in facilities that follow strict quality standards. What we like. This tea offers a 100% natural herbal blend with a light and refreshing flavor. The convenient 25 tea bag pack is perfect for daily use or travel. If you value simplicity and a natural approach to wellness, you should consider this. What people say. I have been drinking this tea for a month now and I have lost 7 pounds. The tea has a pleasant taste, not bitter at all. I have noticed a significant reduction in bloating since I started drinking this tea. Number 3. Skinny Boost Detox Tea Kit, 2-pack. Introducing the Skinny Boost 28-Day Detox Kit. It includes a daytime tea with 28 bags and an evening tea with 14 bags. This 2-step plan uses natural teas and herbs to help you achieve your wellness goals. These Skinny Boost teas are 100% all-natural, vegan, and non-GMO. They are also soy, gluten, and sugar-free. The ingredients offer a great way to support your wellness. The daytime tea includes green tea, Oolong tea, and Garcinia cambogia. These ingredients support fitness goals and have a delicious lemon mint flavor. It's a perfect metabolism tea for your daily routine. The evening tea may help reduce bloating and improve digestion. It has a mild colon cleanse effect and is lemon honey flavored. Used with the daytime tea, it promotes digestion. Skinny Boost is a USA company based in Austin, Texas. They have been creating healthy products for over 15 years. They offer this detox tea to help cleanse your body and enhance wellness naturally. What we like. This kit offers a 2-step detox plan with daytime and evening teas. It's made with green tea and Garcinia cambogia, known for supporting weight loss. If you're looking for a comprehensive detox program to cleanse your body and improve digestion, you should consider this. What people say. I noticed my bloating was non-existent after 2 to 3 days and I suffer from gastritis. It also curbed my appetite for sweets and I'm a huge sweets eater. I actually cut back on coffee and drink a cup or two, same tea bag, of the daytime tea in the morning and the evening tea right before bed. It really helps with taking the bloating and heaviness feeling away. Number 2. VitaCup Slim Tea, Oolong Tea with Diet Support. This slim tea combines acai and Garcinia cambogia. These ingredients are known for supporting wellness goals and reducing bloating and puffiness. It's designed to help you on your diet journey. Manage your daily stress with the help of acai berry. It's a powerful antioxidant that supports your body's fight against free radicals. This tea helps you relax naturally. Enjoy the smooth, full-bodied flavor of our dark oolong tea. Infused with superfood acai berry, it provides a perfectly sweet and fruity finish. Pair it with an active lifestyle and healthy diet for ultimate wellness. Each cup provides a blend of vegan-friendly vitamins and nutrients. This includes B1, B5, B6, B9, and B12, promoting overall health and wellness. It's a simple way to get your daily vitamins. These tea sticks are conveniently packaged and individually sealed. Take them anywhere you go. Just open, mix, and enjoy. It's on-the-go convenience with no brewer needed. What we like. This tea provides diet support with a delicious oolong tea base. It also offers a daily dose of B vitamins for overall health. If you like a convenient, on-the-go option with added vitamins, you should consider this. What people say. This is a very pleasant and healthful tea. Great taste and good quality. Organic content and healthy product. I feel a difference. I like how easy it is to use. The portion size is great and strong. Number 1. TAOISTEA 14-Day Detox Tea. This TAOISTEA Herbal Detox Tea uses a 2-step method. You drink a cup of morning tea first thing in the morning to vitalize yourself. Then, drink evening tea at night before bed to boost your digestive system's ability. The morning tea contains natural green tea. It's an ideal substitute for coffee, providing you with a steady and organic boost of energy throughout the day. The night cleanse tea contains natural pu'er without any scary chemicals and tastes great. It helps bowel movements and improves regularity, promoting proper digestion and reducing bloating. These detox tea bags are an ideal choice. You can easily carry the bag with you so you can brew a cup whenever you want. Combine the tea with a healthy diet and exercise routine for best results. Our herbal detox teas are all natural, vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and sugar-free. When you want to detoxify your body, clean up your diet as well. Eat more fruits and vegetables and less fried and processed foods. What we like. This tea uses a 2-step method with morning and evening blends. It provides a gentle detox and cleanse, supporting your digestive system. If you are looking for a simple, effective detox plan that fits into your daily routine, you should consider this. What people say. It's a gentle yet highly effective way to support digestive health and cleanse the gut naturally. The tea itself tastes great and works. I have the same pickup I have from drinking coffee just from drinking the morning tea. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.